Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that will at least surprise you. A couple of days ago we were talking to a customer about what makes the EGR dirty. You already know that the EGR is that part of the exhaust pipes burn again. In the combustion chamber, they pass through the EGR and stain a lot. They stain, above all, the intake manifold, and it tells us that it has a brother who has a van. This one you see here, and who has made an invention so that the EGR does not stain anything. What is the invention? Look, I have never seen this before. It will surprise you. Look, that's the EGR. It's missing the connector. Look what he came up with so that the EGR wouldn't stain the intake manifold. I'm telling you, it's going to surprise you. There you see it. He installed another EGR under the hose intake. Let's see. You can see, from the rust it has, that what it has on the outside, that EGR, has been there for years. He told us that it was approximately 7 or 8 years ago that he put it there, and this van passes the technical inspection of vehicles, you know, the ITV, every 6 months, and until now they have not said anything. No one has seen it. Surely, look, since this EGR is connected, the other EGR is as if it were cancelled, and at the same time having another one connected, no error appears in the picture, or anything. And the car, that is, sorry, the van, runs normally. As I say, the imagination has no limits. Let's see. As I have told you in other videos, this is illegal, because anti-polluting elements of the engine are being modified. But I will not be the one to judge anyone. Well, here you have this video as a curiosity. If you liked it, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.